Have you seen the Prelvix Microneedle Patch advertised as a simple way to lose weight without dieting or exercising? If it really worked as claimed, it would completely change the weight loss industry, but before spending your money, it's worth taking a closer look at the evidence behind these promises. Prelvix is marketed as a microneedle patch that supposedly burns fat, suppresses appetite, boosts metabolism, supports healthy blood sugar, increases energy, tightens loose skin, improves liver health, and helps users lose weight quickly with almost no effort. Some advertisements even suggest that users can lose 6 to 8 pounds per week and notice visible changes within just 7 days. While those claims sound impressive, there is currently no publicly available high-quality clinical evidence proving that this specific patch can consistently deliver such dramatic results. Another concern is the repeated use of terms like advanced nano-microneedle technology, clinically tested, and FDA approved. Yet many promotional pages fail to provide verifiable scientific studies or direct links to credible research supporting these statements. It's also important to remember that FDA registration for manufacturing is not the same as FDA approval proving a product is effective for weight loss. Many online testimonials and before and after photos also raise questions because some appear heavily edited, AI-generated, or impossible to independently verify. The marketing frequently relies on countdown timers, limited-time discounts, and urgency tactics that encourage quick purchases instead of informed decisions. That doesn't automatically mean the product cannot help anyone, but it does mean consumers should be cautious and avoid relying solely on promotional claims. Sustainable weight loss usually depends on balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, quality sleep, and healthy lifestyle habits rather than miracle patches. Based on the available information, Prelvix Microneedle Patch has more marketing claims than verified scientific proof, so it deserves careful research before buying. If you're considering trying it, look for independent evidence, read unbiased customer experiences, and consult a qualified healthcare professional instead of trusting bold advertising promises alone.